The biggest impact to sustainability is building it right the first time. My name is Art Schloud. I'm the Director of Manufacturing for General Assembly. I'm responsible for all the people, processes, and tooling where we actually put together the vehicle. In General Assembly, we get a painted unit from paint, and we have three primary zones. We've got trim, chassis, final, and then end of line. We do have some robots and we do have automation, but this vehicle is put together by humans, and it takes real craftsmanship to put together.
My name is Jay Sorgelski, and I'm the manager of launch and production operations for General Assembly here at Lucid Motors. GA is pretty amazing because it's the culmination of everything that makes Lucid special. We take beautifully painted, sleek body, all of the powertrain technology with the drive units and the battery packs, the expertly crafted interior components, the software technology, and we bring that all together and we send it out as a finished product. My favorite part of it is just the work between operations and engineering. It's a collaborative process, and it's happening through every station in the factory right now as we're building.
Quality control is at the end of General Assembly in order to make sure we are sending quality. My name is Federico Tapia, and I'm the head of manufacturing quality. This design is complex, not only in the appearance, but functionality. So we need to make sure that the car we are delivering to our customers is working properly. The handoff with General Assembly starts in the roll test area, and we take the car to squeak and rattles and water test, then to the pre-delivery line. We are evaluating 11 subsystems: powertrain, body, interior, exterior, chassis.
My name is Hector Rascon, and I am the vehicle evaluation manager. We take the car and make sure that the car is free from defects. So we inspect the whole vehicle, 100% of them, for more than 180 attributes, and then this vehicle is shipped.
Once everybody is agreed that the car is okay, we take it to logistics. They are in charge of taking the unit to the shipping yard. This is not only the traditional car that takes you from the point A to B, but you are living magic while driving this vehicle.